It is the day after a massive windstorm. We had winds gusting up to 50 miles an hour, and it did a number on this plant. This is the Eve's needle. I absolutely love this thing. I'm not worried about it. This happens all the time in a windstorm. Eventually, it will straighten itself out. The sun will pull it this way, and it'll be back in tip-top shape before you know it. This aloe looks great, so pretty. This elephant bush is getting long. Every time it drags, I start to cut it off, and then I will plant it somewhere else just to give me more babies. This succulent is called the red apple. It is so pretty. This thing not doing so well. It's too hot over here. We get south-facing sun, and this thing takes a beating. The larger elephant bush, doing pretty okay. I'll cut the tips off eventually and plant it in the back because I know it will survive. And this thing has a tendency to grow straight, so it will be perfect in the back of the planter box. Oh, you could see the red apple flowers. I gave the cuttings away too. People love it. There are lots of empty spaces in the back, so I will start planting very soon. I've been extremely busy. Now this is getting really thick and congested. I don't like it like that. I like it a little sparser. And I've cut some pieces off of there and put it somewhere else, but I think I will thin it out. The dragon fruit is doing okay. It's getting wider in the back, so that's good. It is one of the easiest plants to take care of. And this massive aloe, that's more than 40 years old, bloomed so beautiful when it did. Now it's starting to dry out. I cannot cut it. I will let it droop some more and then lop it off. But look at that. We got a little baby. I love it that it is the exact clone of this one. So cool. This is the African palm.